This course is YouTube Masterclass, your complete guide to YouTube. If you want to learn about YouTube, this is the best course. So what are the pros and cons about this course, you may ask? The course is pretty cheap currently, as you can see. In my opinion, there's only one thing that matters, and that is if the course is good or not. So that's going to be the pro. The pro is that this course is really great. I believe that this is the best course out there about YouTube. Now there are probably someone who has a lot more in-depth explanation, but I believe that this course is short and it teaches you everything that you need. And I mentioned that there is one con about this course, and that is that if the course is not on the coupon or campaign, the course costs about 200 euro. 200 euro. And that is actually quite a lot of money. But even if it would cost 200 euros, I would still probably say that you should buy it because you learn a lot. But since it's Udemy, just wait for a campaign. It's Christmas, just wait for a campaign or buy it right now. It's 12 euro. So that's the only con, which is pretty non-existent. I would say that the only requirement for this course is that you actually want to have a YouTube channel, or you want to become big on YouTube, or you just want to spread your brand for more exposure. YouTube is great for exposure if you're a business, streamer, entertainer. What do you actually learn in this course? You learn a lot. You can check these checkpoints here. What you learn, create your own successful YouTube channel, get more YouTube views, and so on. You can see my rating if you pause the video. The key part about this course is that it's all about consistency. Now, consistency is something that's going to reward you in the long term. So it's not going to be like 1 month and you will get a lot of subscribers. It's going to take perhaps a few years until you are really big by being consistent. And that is producing the same quality content, maybe new content that your subscribers actually want. So it's about fitting your viewers' needs. So if your video is, let's say, 20 minutes long, you have to make sure that it's value. Because the thing is, you should keep your videos short and simple. So I'm making that change myself. I'm making all my reviews now less than 5 minutes, because I believe you need to have a really short, quick video explaining the major parts, not going in depth like I just did. There's 6 hours of content in this course. So what you're going to learn is that you're going to learn pretty much everything about YouTube. You learn about how to make videos, uploading, titles, tags, keyword research, ads on your video, or you use your videos as an ad, so you pay for your promotion. YouTube is awesome for exposure, and not only is it free, if you would pay for promotion, such as your maybe buy this product video and you promote that, you pay for it, you can actually choose the payment amount. You can choose $10, $20, $1,000, and you can also see how many views you estimated to get for that value, for that money. As you can see, there are quite a few sections here, and there are 15 sections. Now you learn a lot in these sections, and even if it's only 6 hours of content, you pretty much learn everything. You learn about analytics as well, as you can see here, results with analytics. You speak about what the age and gender your audience is, where they come from, and you learn how to optimize your ad. Phil Abiner is one of the instructors, and you can see he almost have 100,000 subscribers. And something that's also important to have is an introduction video. Mike and Lauren is also a part of this course as an instructor. Now they are not shown as much as Phil, but they also have really good inputs about the YouTube, and they teach you a lot in the course. Good luck in the course. My name is Erik Peterson from shackledevelopers.com. Thank you for watching.